Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix search bar won't work on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1, reboot your iPhone. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on General, scroll up, tap on Shutdown. You can see appears on screen. Drag the slide to power off, slide to turn off your device, wait for few seconds and turn your device back on, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is force restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is reset all settings. Firstly, tap on Setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on General, scroll up, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset Setting, tap on Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode, tap on Reset all settings. This will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. Tap on Reset all settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix search bar won't work on iPhone after iOS 17 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.